A warm good morning to all. Now we see the case study on the applications of Laplace transformation. Role of mathematics is very important in day-to-day life. To justify and invalidating their research findings, researchers from life sciences to computer technology uses various mathematical technique or a tool or model. The Laplace transform is one of the tools used by scientists and researchers in finding the solution to their problems. Here, we study the wide range of applications of Laplace transformations in various fields. Here, we studied on how Laplace transformation has been used to solve their research problem is discussed. The current paper gives the theory problem worked on and the applications of Laplace transformation in the research paper. To present a methodical review on applications of Laplace transformation is the objective of this paper. As a significant tool, this technique have been used to respond diverse research problem modeled as differential or integral equation. The literature review provides a survey on Laplace transformation technique. The results of numerous studies allow us to recommend the use of this technique to model their research problem mathematically and to find the solution to the same. The significance of transformation technique is it converts the system into an easier form so that the solution can be derived from there. For numerous scientific foundations, transform theory and techniques are helpful to experts. There are numerous classes of problems that are hard to solve or else algebraically very awkward in their unique portrayals. In applied mathematics, the Laplace transformation has the key role in concluding the solution guided by the complex integration function. Comparing with the variation method of constant and the undetermined coefficient, this integral transformation is simpler in application. In particular, the Laplace transformation method is applied in the solving of initial value problem of nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. A French mathematician introduced a special type of integral transform in his research later on. It was called as Laplace transformation. A British physicist developed the Laplace transformation systematically. Among the various integral transform, it is used mostly the easiness in the understanding and simple in applying is the inspiration behind this transformation technique. In numerous problems, the Laplace transformation is applied to derive the general solution. As a significant tool, the principal task of the Laplace transformation is in establishing the suitable mathematical model for the solution of equations. Laplace transform converts the function f of t from its time domain to frequency domain capital F of s. The inverse Laplace transformation transfer the converted frequency domain f of s into the time domain. In brief, the Laplace transform converts the differential or integral equations to an algebraic equation. The extensive choice of application makes Laplace transform as a powerful tool in studying the characteristic of engineering problems. Laplace transform is widely used method to solve higher order differential equations. It has many applications in mathematics, applied sciences and engineering. It also used for calibrating integral, differential, circuit systems, mechanical systems, and image processing, to say a few. Then study on applications of Laplace transform. Here, how this technique is applied in various research problems. Research articles are studied, the theory behind the problem worked on, and the applications are portrayed. The simulation of the impulse response of an electric machines. The electrical mechanics are often exposed to a variety of waveforms which cause some faults in them. The work is done to replicate these impulse response and know about them. A new method called model series method, which represents the nonlinear system response for even zero input in the form of differential equation. It derives and represents the behavior of nonlinear dynamic systems using nonlinear model representation. 3 level back to back high voltage direct current converts based on H bridge converters. Modeling of high voltage direct current converters based on H bridge voltage source converters are demonstrated by SRIA. It has more features compared to two level converters. It corrects power system phenomena like power quality, voltage, and first swing stability. Designs of type compensators are derived by Laplace transformation. Analytic techniques for broadband multi-electrochemical electrobimorph beams with multi-frequency power harvesting. Then, the multi-frequency responses of multi-electrochemical electric biomorph beams based on closed form boundary value method from Hamilton's principle. Also discuss the conversion of unused mechanical energy to electrical energy by designing suitable electromechanical system. The Laplace transform is used to design a new formula for power harvesting multi-frequency responses for multiple biomorph beams of different type of connections. Transient analytical solution for the motion of a vibrating cylinder in the strokes using Laplace transform. The classification of geological structure using ground penetration radar and Laplace transform artificial neural networks. Then the Laplace transform is used to instead of artificial weights in linear activation function of artificial neuron. Then SAR imaging despeckling based on the combination of Laplace mixture distribution with local parameters and the multiscale edge detection in Laplace transform domain. Then wave propagation and transient response of a fluid filled in FGM cylinder with a rigid core using the inverse Laplace transform. Analytical solution of Abel integral equations arising in astrophysics via Laplace transforms. Then analysis of pressure transient of coal bed methane reservoir based on the Laplace transform finite differential method. The medical application for the flow of carbon nanotube suspended nanofluids in the presence of convective condition using Laplace transform. A Swiss Army knife for finite rate of invention sampling theory. Convexually constrained linear inverse problems, iterative least squares and regularization. A new mathematical nonlinear modular model for switch mode pulse with modulated converter circuits. These are all the applications of Laplace transform in various engineering fields. Neurocomputing supervised learning Laplace transform artificial neural networks and using for an automatic classification of geological structure. Thank you all.